You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to set up a photo shuffle wallpaper on your iPhone, which automatically cycles through selected photos on your lock screen. First, press and hold on your lock screen to enter customization mode. Tap the plus icon to add a new wallpaper. Select Photo Shuffle from the options you can choose a suggested theme or tap Customize to pick your own photos. Tap Add Photos to select specific images from your library or choose an album like Favorites. You can select multiple photos. Tap Add when done. Now set the shuffle frequency. Tap Shuffle Frequency to choose how often the photos change every tap, hourly or daily. You can also enable Show Content to feature memories. Customize the font and color of the time display if desired. Tap Add in the top right to apply the wallpaper. Your lock screen will now display a rotating selection of your chosen photos. To edit it later, long press the lock screen, tap Customize, and adjust your photo shuffle. Settings. This is a dynamic way to personalize your iPhone with your favorite memories. For more simple iPhone wallpaper tutorials, subscribe to the channel.